Hi students, this is Ms. Romero. I am going to do a little tutorial of how to access Schoology in case you are still struggling. First of all, you are going to open a new tab and go lms.lausd.net. Hit enter. From here, you're going to notice that there are updates and information. These are basically any reminders that you might see different than mine because I am a school teacher. Click on courses and you're going to look for all your classes. I have 2 homerooms because I am a teacher. So if I click on homeroom H, you're going to notice materials. Okay, this is the information that you should have done already. Okay, so you have day 1 and day 2. If you first click on day 1, which was what you had to do, you're going to notice there's 2 videos, video 1 and video 2. You are to watch these 2 videos and then read your checklist. And when you are ready, you're going to click on discussions, and that's how I'm taking roll. Now, on discussions, you are going to use complete sentences and you're going to tell me, what is one thing you learned today? You're going to answer it here. You might not see other students' discussions until you complete yours and submit. When you do that, I'm going to read all of your comments and then I mark you present for that day. Now, how do you go back? If you go back, you click on homeroom and it's going to take you back to the main page for your materials. Now this here says daily plan day 1 through 4. So this here is a guide in case you're still struggling. So if we look at it, it says here 1, 4. That means page 1 out of 4. So this is what you should have done today, Tuesday. You should have logged in to Schoology, which is lms.lausd.net at 9 o'clock. Same information I just gave you. And then it has the information for the Zoom meeting with the principal. For tomorrow, Wednesday, you are also logging in at 9 a.m. That's when I'm going to check if you're in. Okay, you're going to go into your homeroom and you are also going to complete video for day 2. Video for day 2. There's 2 videos and the checklist and also the discussion. Note that it says meet your teacher. We are meeting tomorrow and the information is found on Zoom in your Schoology. I will guide you right now on how to access this. Next, on Thursday is our first day of instruction. At 9 o'clock, period 1 begins. Okay, I will be starting the class on time and taking roll first thing. Make sure you are there. Then you have the rest of your period. So tomorrow is period 1, 3, and 5. And then you have your homerooms. Be careful. Some of you have homeroom H and some of you have homeroom L. Make sure you find out which homeroom you belong to. That way you click on the right one. Make sure you take your lunch as well. Okay? Now, if we go to Friday, second day of instructions, same times, but the periods have changed. You have period 2, 4, and 6. And also your Zoom information will be found on Schoology, which I will tell you right now. Okay, let's go back. We click back to homeroom. And now it says Zoom meetings. Always click on this one for our Zoom meetings. It's going to give you the date and time. So I only have one to avoid any confusion right now. But all of your homerooms meetings will be here. So let's say you are in my period H. Okay. When you click there, it's going to tell you you have it tomorrow at 1. Then it says the title, the ID. All you need to do is click start, and it's going to take you to our meeting. So if I click start, it's going to say open Zoom meeting. And then it's going to give you a little message. It's going to say join with computer audio, okay? Or it also might tell you as a student that the meeting is not started, okay? And this is what you're going to see. For you, you're going to see join. So when you go ahead and open, it's going to tell you the meeting is scheduled for, it's going to have the date, and then it tells you the time. So just a reminder, period H, we are meeting tomorrow, Wednesday at 1 o'clock. Period L, we meet at 1:15. Make sure you are there on time because I cannot be in two different meetings. It's going to let you wait in the waiting room and it's going to take longer. So again, make sure you are there on time. I'm going to exit and leave meeting. And now if we go back, you are going to notice that we are back into materials. This is where you are going to see all the materials needed. Where it says upcoming right here. This is any assignments that have any due dates, okay? Now, if you need to get a hold of me, you have these icons here. The one with an envelope, if you click, you could always send me a message, okay? This here, if I send you an email through Schoology, you could also check it. Also, the notifications. If you click on notifications, you could actually see any announcements. I see your announcements. If you submitted a work, if you try to contact me, if you're in there, it's going to tell me. Okay, so again, just to let you know, this is the main information for day 1 and day 2. That way you could show that you were present. Hopefully I was able to help. And again, play around with this. It is going to take a while, but look at all your courses, okay? You could look at your math. You could look at your science. You could look at your history. You could actually, kiddos, see your grades here as well. So whenever you have an assignment and I already graded, you could go on your grades and you could see what your current grade is. Okay, now I'm not going to click on it because it does have student information. But again, you could check your grades constantly. All right, hopefully I was able to help. Have a good one and see you at 1 for period H and at 1:15 period L. Bye.